This is a question asking you to do a calculation about interest payments. It says Honorio and Sonia both want to borrow £10,000 over a year each to buy a car. The bank will charge Honorio 8% interest, but Sonia only 5%. How much more interest will Honorio pay? Now, with these calculation questions, you need to be very careful at the beginning that you know exactly what they're asking you to do, because they can catch you out. Some people just see the information, work out a calculation and give the answer, but they're not careful to look at what the question really wants you to do. It says how much more interest will Honorio pay? So they want to know how much more interest will he have to pay on his loan than Sonia will pay on hers. And they don't want to know how much interest Honorio is paying. They want to know how much more interest he's paying than Sonia. So we need to work out for Honorio how much interest will he be paying at 8%, and Sonia how much interest will she be paying at 5%. And then we need to work out the difference, and this is what they want to know for the answer. So in the case of Honorio, he's paying 8% interest, so we need to do 8% of 10,000. And if you work that out on your calculator, either 8 divided by 100 times 10,000, or you can work out this is 0.08 times 10,000, and the answer is 800. Remember, it's pounds. For Sonia, she's paying 5%, so 5% of 10,000. And that equals, you go through the same thing, it will be 0.05 times 10,000, and that equals £500. Check back what the question wants. How much more interest will Honorio pay? So he's paying 800, she's paying 500, so we need to know the difference. So we're going to do 800 minus 500, which equals 300. Remember, if you're writing down the calculation, you must put your pound sign in. So let's find that here. It's D is the answer.